I just got a brand new phone, Poco F1. I just opened the Flipkart box. Just wanted to make sure I have the product in it before I gave the cash. Oh, look at this. Poco F1 by Xiaomi. So let's unbox this. I also have a couple more things along with this package. We will come to that later. So if you look at the specification, it's a Rosso red color and 6 GB, 64 GB. All right, let's open it. It's always a bit of, curiosity and a bit of nervousness when you buy a brand new product. Yeah, nice box. I'm going to open it. Oh no, there is one sealing which I... Okay, I remove the sealing. Okay. Wow. So what is this? This is product manual. This is the inbuilt back patch. This is the phone. Come on, man. I'm not really happy with the color. If you ask me personally, it's very fluorescent color. Okay, I shouldn't have gone for this, but okay, let me turn it on. Where's the power button? To be here. Okay, I'll be back after initial setup. It's going to take a while, I guess. Okay, now the initial setup is over and the phone is ready, up and running. I don't have a SIM on it. I just tried clicking a couple of pictures, a selfie and a photo, which I'm not using right now. So let me try taking a new photograph. Not doing any adjustments here, just a raw picture. Let's see. This is the quality of the picture. The hold is very nice. I initially kind of, at first the color was actually still, kind of narrow, but okay. I think I can use it. I've been using black color phone for a long time, so I can use it. It's very handy, and the look is nice. Very good. Look at this. And I have to remove all these stickers away.